The new 9.7-inch iPad takes everything people love about our most popular iPad and make it even better. So now our most affordable iPad has support for our most creative tool, Apple Pencil. We're providing a high-resolution touch system with sub-pixel precision to this iPad. This will enable ultra-low latency, pencil support, and the same tilt and pressure sensing that have made Apple Pencil such a hit. Apple Pencil works beautifully with the built-in Notes app. And markup, it's now just so easy to mark up a worksheet, assignment, or screenshot. And it goes so much further. There's an incredible universe of apps designed for Apple Pencil on iPad Pro that will now be available to everyone. Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. Today we're introducing all new versions of these three apps that support Apple Pencil. Students can now add drawings or notes right inside their projects, and it's really easy to use. We also wanted to give you a sneak peek of something really cool in the new version of Pages. We're still working on this beta feature, but we think it's already pretty awesome, and it's called Smart Annotation. Now you can simply write or add marks right on the Pages document itself. With Smart Annotation, your marks stay anchored to the words they were added to. Notice the mark I made around the word he and how it moves as I edit the document, just like you would expect it to. Teachers love using their Macs to create digital books that bring subjects to life in a way that no paper book can. So today, we're bringing digital book creation to the iPad. To make it easy to get started, we've included a full set of templates for everything from reports to stories to lessons. You can easily add your own interactive image galleries filled with photos and captions that you can swipe through with your finger. And you can easily add videos complete with sound. You could even use the built-in camera of the iPad to record videos right onto the page. And with Apple Pencil, you can personalize your book even more with your own illustrations. So Pages has group collaboration built right in. But we're also upgrading the chip in this new iPad to the super fast A10 Fusion. The A10 gives a big boost in processing and graphics horsepower. This iPad has the power of the A10 Fusion combined with the big, beautiful Retina display, the advanced cameras and sensors that enable incredible AR experiences simply not possible on other devices. They can walk right up to priceless works of art from museums around the world. Get up close enough to see the individual brushstrokes. You can place a beautifully detailed landscape right on the table in front of you, and you can explore and interact with it. Students can fly in through the clouds, easily move around the free-flowing river valley. Students can place a virtual frog right on their desk. And they can explore the inner workings of that frog in a way they never could with a real frog. Students can dissect a virtual frog with their Apple Pencil. They can even take a built-in quiz to identify the individual organs. And even with all these enhancements, we're pleased that we're able to offer this new iPad for the same $329 starting price for consumers, and we're super pleased to offer this for schools for just $299. It's available to order today, and we'll start shipping to our customers and arriving in stores this week. And the updates to Pages, Numbers, and Keynote that I show you come with every new iPad, and they're also available for download today as well. GarageBand has a brand new sound pack for kids with fun new instruments and sound effects, even fun animal sounds. And with Clips, students can enhance their videos with new shapes, styles, and great-looking posters.
Our engineers used Swift to build Swift Playgrounds, the fun and free interactive app that teaches kids to code. And today, we're announcing an ARKit module for our app development with Swift curriculum, so kids can not only build and design apps, they can do it with the super cool augmented reality technology. Or a kid can use drawing skills like sketching, texture, or shading to bring out more detail in a history report.
Thank you.